Humphrey the horse lives down on the farm with his big brown eyes and his tail so long. He eats his hay and he stamps his feet, but something funny makes his day complete. Humphrey woke up one sunny day. He shook his mane and he trotted to play. He munched his apples, 1, 2, 3. Then something tickled him, oh my, oh me. Hic, 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 Humphrey hiccups again. Hic, 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 he can't hold them in. His ears go up and his tail goes swish. Every hiccup grants a funny wish. Hic, 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 Humphrey hiccups again. He hiccuped once and his hat flew high. It spun and twirled up into the sky. He hiccuped twice and his bucket tipped. His water splashed and his hooves all slit. Hic, 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 Humphrey hiccups again. Hic, 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 he can't hold them in. His ears go up and his tail goes swish. Every hiccup grants a funny wish. Hic, 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 Humphrey hiccups again. The chickens laughed and the piggy squealed. The little lamb rolled around in the field. The farmer said, Humphrey, drink some water. But Humphrey hiccuped even harder. The sun went down and the stars came out. Humphrey yawned with a sleepy snout. He closed his eyes and snuggled in tight. No more hiccups, just good night. Hic, 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 Humphrey slowing down. Hic, 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 the hiccups leave town. His ears droop low and his tail goes still. Humphrey sleeping on top of the hill. Good night, Humphrey, good night. So if you hiccup one day too, just think of Humphrey and what he went through.